Terrible news from Turkey. More than 41,000 people are dead after that massive earthquake 2 weeks ago. And now, today, another 6.4 magnitude earthquake has hit the same province that has suffered so much death and destruction.
Assyria, any Turkey, omuye very, very ashweyepa. I'm telling you. Because after we, a Bibesan Sibium.
Terrible news from Turkey. More than 41,000 people are dead after that massive earthquake 2 weeks ago. And now, today, another 6.4 magnitude earthquake has hit the same province that has suffered so much death and destruction back on February 6th. These are initial reports of damaged buildings collapsing. Right now, there are no reported casualties from this latest quake. Members of the White Helmets, that wonderful relief group in Syria, say that there have also been moderate aftershocks in that country's northeast region. No word on any additional damages at this hour. You know that Secretary Blinken was there just this weekend after being in Munich and has now arrived in Greece for the rest of his trip.
Şu anda deprem oluyor tekrar. Tekrar deprem oluyor şu anda. Bina altlarından uzaklaşın. Bina altlarından uzaklaşın. Yok efendim, bu çok yüksek. Çok yüksek bu. Başkanım, bu çok yüksek. Çok yüksek bu.
Öyle mi?
Çok yüksek, çok.
One says a see no be adru no. Ukraine, president no. Na the way of shese na nema corner. Russia for near prepare serious. Na Ukraine here support every other countries in China to be able to stand Russia. And there a sea war, Assyria, any Turkey, no. It wasn't an earthquake. It was a bomb and a mutroye.
I didn't think I could say a bomb na you.
Say earthquake is here. Ewo bia. And konye only one particular dime. And I was say durable. Look at it from that place. It is not said you're shown in a physical way. This is beyond physical. Because the earthquake is here. A dire, a child. What's that durable? As I say, Wushua, you can't say yes more. You can say, as I say, Wushua. Now, say, I didn't be a wasa area, that particular area, now what's that durable?
Now, then Emma will make it that statement say when any earthquake a bomb. It's because the buildings, we had some videos now trending was social media. Does that mean the videos need be our honoma? Na no. Utum say one particular building bu na ba ku ejina ho na ba ku bu na ba ku ejina no. Enu nti na wo ka say enye earthquake no na bomb no.
Enye se bia building bi jina ho. Ebi so jina ho. Na mo that particular building na ye hunu say enu na etwerego no. Enti na make say enye earthquake. Hwe Assyria any Turkey omuye very, very ashweyepa. I'm telling you. Because after we a Bibesan Sibium.
Ebesi wa infa.
Ebesi wo da ho a. Maybe kaka cho say eye earthquake asase wusu esi a ebi esi wo man mu da. Wonim sa?
Anye me.
Oh. Asase wusu bi esi wo man mu da. I get the whole thing. And as a seer, it is not about one particular building. It was Obi na Yeshua no target Obi.
Who is that?
Assyria ho any take it wa. that make just say yanhwe
who is that? Is that person a public figure?
It's a public. Yeah. And I'm just saying
who name the dia because that is the reason why I be out here only for Kasana.
And na make say yanhwe or my sebi omu enya ntokwa up to now omukusu kono aye sa two countries American was no say yanhwe ya ebe dani ntokwa one here US edi ubejim any other countries do ubejim
ebe koso in this particular year.
Oh yeah.
Okay, maybe so when you were talking who make a statement be now all kasa what you say earthquake bubu kroni na but so we video ni ma and now with witness ayenya from Al Jazeera videos and all that and then bubu power and ba ko pe na bubu and then collapse here. So if you are telling us say any earthquake then what is it again? What is it really? We want to know.
Enu na me ka kire wo say ye hunu say a earthquake na mo any earthquake
na ye thing
medical ka kire wo say eye bob e na kofo bi 2 year
bomb no mo di ko share wasase ase ana ye tu fa wiem e na kodu
obi nim
na wan kasa wusu onim
na o say hwe ma me ka sebo kire DNT ma it was only your other countries are a try apart from Assyria any Turkey your other countries are mutra omoese but this particular country adetina these only two countries per na omutumi experience that
say ebia na the landmarks of it because earthquake ni see enye baby e what take na esi on the landmarks na bia earthquake betumi afa no ene ma ni see wo ho so o kasa na what are you trying to tell us
me kasa fa nko deep
e was say o kan
dia me person me ma etifo tie ni say dia ebesa sinu ebe chen we na take for any Assyria for they should wake up.
How should they wake up? They say omo wara home omo twa adwa ni ade so how should they wake up?
One say medical catcher say aman mienu ekuntokwa bi na aman ba ko no sisi ne hu ya kire no etina ohia support which we call defense I get it opobia my about defending no na abeboa no esi ye hwe a US person odi ne hu jim UK person odi ne hu jim ora say na automatically so no take any Assyria person odi mo jim
so mo ko support Ukraine.
Oh yeah.
Enti eno na ama earthquake na si ana. Depesi e.
Enye no si na mka say hwe se o ko support obi a e wo say wakasa no otumi self defense. Otumi strong. Asa otumi ko defend obi. Ana ko bo obi. Entokwasi na se bia oni obi kuntokwa. Na se mi ba se beboa wo na se mi a me beboa me hu nya dia den na be se I get it oje mi a me ba beboa wo se na be ya ye betunya bu nipa no na se mi so mi ba so me hu nya dia den na be se otuma ga se mi no mienu de se umpu na me hu se umpu betunya defend wo betumi kwa ba agira to kwana no na wo hu ana me ya me ba beboa na mi so me hu nya dia den na be se.
All right, Mebo. Now, say, who make it that kind of point? Say, I am talking between Ukraine and Russia, and the winning Abba. Don't you say the people who were right because you said Germany, UK, and the US, they are people who are trying to show support for Ukraine. And then, as earthquake here, who chere say, and yet earthquake, you know, but a bombing, no, young fan called UK. Any USA force na Syria ni Turkey a obi omo baby a omo see they will just show their support na war no so ntwa no mo no be face that problem
me da say wo one say ye two ade bia o da say ye two boba etumi ba ni say e bia it was maybe say you can say bia Germany any other countries in a person anka eden echo sell mine but no to me too far baby fufu one of there
Maybe I want to watch her.
yeah it me far baby fufu
Senior Emma will be catch you say.
Mama ka se me kiro me hu ade ne wie ye aye enura na me say me bo hu paye no when na obi from you tie ni of UK oba o ye broni and I won't catch or see supi catch him say this is what we have also seen that me can be me narrative asem na me hu me narrative tell no and I'll say yampa it is a confirmation.
So what did she tell you?
That is what I'm telling you now.
So the war the earthquake na koso Syria ne Turkey no, it is not something that we should be thinking and say asase wusu bi na esi.
And America just say you look mobile nipa be fan say asase wusu but yes sanity.
So does that have does this has a spiritual implications? Like does it have a spiritual revelation be a Emma wujina so o kasana?
Bien ti a medina so kasa ne say wow say because say meminya intasem wie obi so frɛ confirm me what intasem ne so e kyerɛ say yanhwɛ ya medical kasa bi say either say yanhwɛ ni ya mompa ya third world war the best sense